All right, we're talking big rock endings or trash can endings, whatever you want to call them. Now there's a million ways you can end a song at your rock gig, but I'm going to give you 2 examples of what you can do and a couple of what not to do's as well, so stick around. If you've played at least one rock gig in your life, this most likely has happened, and I'm not talking about the guy in the crowd that screams, "Free bird!" I'm talking about when you play the last note of your song and your bandmates turn around to you and they're just wailing on their guitars and they're looking at you like, do something cool. So this in comparison is like the grand finale of a fireworks show. It's where everybody's making noise, it's the height of the show, and then you end it. So one thing you could do to help segue into what you're going to play at the end is you could do a cymbal swell. Just play single strokes on both the crash cymbals and you get something like this. Don't forget to flutter that bass drum a little bit, give it some extra low end. One thing you could do to level up your showmanship a little bit is just start crossing your hands over on the cymbals, like this. So one of the patterns you can play is just right, left kick, and you can bring your left hand up to the rack tom, and your right hand's gonna go from your snare drum to your floor tom, like this. All right, let's hear what that would sound like coming out of the cymbal swell. All right, you can always end it with a little right-left kick on your floor tom. That way it seals the deal, lets everybody know it's over. The second thing you could do is play right-left kick. We're going to bring that left hand back up to the rack tom, and again, the right hand's going to interchange from our snare drum to our floor tom, like this. All right, coming out of the cymbal swell into the right-left kick, you've got Okay, now let's talk about a couple things you want to steer clear from. You don't have to pull out every trick in your bag to sell this. Do something simple, which brings me to my next point. Keep it short. Try to keep it under 10 seconds. The crowd does not want to sit there and listen to a volume of noise for a minute. A little bit's cool, too much is kind of like, okay, are they done? If you want to dive deeper into some drum fills, check out this video right here. Also, if you're new to drumming or need some tips and refreshers on the basics, download my free reference guide. I'll put the link down below. I'll see you guys later.